Did you know that a well-designed logo can increase brand recognition by up to 80%? Crazy, right? Today, we're diving into the world of logo design, and we'll be crafting a logo for Crunchmates chips. Let's get into it. Alright, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on something super fun, designing a logo for Crunchmates chips. Now, when we think about this logo, we want it to be modern, clean, and playful. So, let's jump right in. Now, here's the challenge. The snack food market is packed with competition. Think of all the chip brands we see every day. To create a memorable logo for Crunchmates, we need to ensure it stands out on the shelves and resonates with our target audience. We're looking at families, young adults, and snack enthusiasts who want something that feels fresh and exciting. How do we create a logo that captures their attention while also aligning with the brand's core values? That's what we're going to figure out. I explored some color palettes. Bright, bold colors like green, yellow, and orange came to mind. They screamed freshness and excitement. As for typography, I wanted something that feels friendly and approachable. I played around with rounded fonts that evoke a playful vibe while ensuring readability. The goal here is to create a visual that not only looks great but also tells the story of Crunchmates. logo design for Crunchmates chips. Ta-da! Each element of this logo has been carefully thought out. The vibrant colors represent the fun and joy of snacking, while the playful font gives it a friendly touch. The chip icon above the text symbolizes the crunchiness we all love. This logo embodies the brand's identity perfectly by being modern and inviting, making you want to reach for a bag of Crunchmates every time you see it. What do you think? I'm super excited about it. To wrap things up, we've gone through quite the journey today. From brainstorming ideas to sketching out concepts, we've designed a logo that truly captures the essence of Crunchmates chips. Remember, a well-crafted logo isn't just a pretty picture, it's a vital part of a brand's identity and can help it stand out in a crowded marketplace. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think of the new Crunchmates logo? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have ideas for future design videos or logos you'd like to see me create, let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.